Healthy eating myths, debunked. Number 1. Carbs make you gain weight. Nah, not all carbs are bad. Whole grains can actually help with weight control. Number 2. Eating fat makes you fat. Healthy fats, like in avocados, are actually great for you. Number 3. You need to eat less to lose weight. It's more about eating right, not just less. Number 4. Skipping meals is good for weight loss. Actually, it can slow down your metabolism and make you feel hungrier later. And lastly, all smoothies are healthy. Some are loaded with sugar, so check what's inside.